This is Jason to Jason's Jungle, and today's a potato day. I'm going to be planting my second crop of potatoes. So I've got three types, Nicola, Charlotte, and I can't remember the other one. Let's have a look. Gemson. So Nicola, Charlotte and Gemson. So they're going in the bed that I've got the earlies out of earlier. Out of chicken pellets. So it should hopefully be improved a bit, and I'll give it a dressing later on of bloodfish and bone once they start poking through. So I'll get on with that and fast forward through it for you, and I'll see you when I've finished. Okay, these things have been sitting around waiting to go in for a little while, and if you look here, we'll be able to see that they've all got nice little chits on them. So with that, you don't need to chit your second crops because the ground's warm enough that it'll kick them into germination. But there's no harm in them being chitted, and it'll just help boost them and bring them out earlier. But these should be ready probably in about November. So I'm putting in 2 rows of my Charlottes, and that'll leave us 4 which I'm going to be putting into buckets later. So that's 8 in the bed and 4 in buckets. And I'm using these, which are just basically cheap edging from the pound shop to mark where one variety ends and the other variety begins. So I'll at least know what I'm digging up, hopefully. So that's 8 of the Charlottes. Next I'm putting in 12 of the Nicola. So I'm putting about a foot apart, which is what I tend to do with these spuds anyway. I know some people will have more. But I just find that this works fine for me. Okay, it's now getting a bit warm, so I'm going to go and dunk my hat in the water. I'll get back to you in a minute when I come to put these in. Okay, so that's dripping wet, I can get on. I've gone for the hand bulb planter, so I'll be using this just to go in, make the hole, drop it down, and then I'll cover it in a second. Okay, so that's them done. I've got 8 of the Charlottes, 12 of the Nicolas, 12 of the Gemsons. There's already chicken manure in bed, so which I put in when I cleared it with See, that's good. So now I'm just going to put a mulch over the grass and leave it till, well, they grow, and it should be ready October, November. And that's them done. I've got 4 Charlottes and 2 of the others left, which will be going into buckets, but I'll show you that in a different video. Okay, well, I'll see you later. Bye.